the pull tab. As usual, I fail at packaging. Hello knitters, Barbara Benson here. I'm an independent knitwear designer who also likes to make videos here on my YouTube channel, Watch Barbara Knit. If you'd like to know more about my knitwear designs, please check in the description below, and there you will find a link to my Ravelry page where you can check out everything I have. Also in the description below you will find a link to the Watch Barbara Knits Facebook group. We'd love to have you come on over and continue this conversation we start here. And also in the description below, there will be all the information about this month's KnitCrate, because what I have managed to do is finally open up this package that has been sitting on my desk and driving me crazy. Now, the elephant in the room is, in fact, my room. I have mentioned previously that things have gone a little sideways in my house, and currently I have been evicted from my basement, and there's going to be at least a month's worth of renovation and abatement of stuff. And so you are actually in my bedroom, and you can see out the corner right here, I don't know if it's going to be in frame, my husband, who also works from home, is set up in the kitchen and everything is everywhere. It's a hot mess. But I wanted to get at least one video out this week, and I had a package and I wanted to open it up. So we have a KnitCrate unboxing. I want to talk a little bit about what it is. KnitCrate is a monthly subscription service, and what it is you sign up for the subscription and you get a surprise in your mailbox. Now, they have asked me to work with them, and I'm super excited because I did my research, and there are quite a few of these different kinds of subscription boxes out there, and KnitCrate really, I saw almost only positive feedback on it, and they have multiple options. The one I will be opening is the KnitCrate specific membership. It's like the original membership, and it's their own in-house luxury yarns, which are last month was the first time I received this, and I was really pleasantly surprised by what their definition of luxury is, because it matches my definition of luxury. And I just wanted to let you know that I'm opening this up, and I've never seen this yarn before. I've never used this yarn before. So it's an exciting, fun thing to try new things for both of us, all of us, you know? So I can't give you I've worked with this yarn and this is about this yarn, because I'm going to open up this package and then one of you are going to have the opportunity to win it. Of course, if you cannot wait for it, or if you go and look at one of the other options on the KnitCrate website, which I recommend you click through because it's just pretty to look at, you can also subscribe to their service yourself, or go ahead and you can, through the rest of March, purchase the actual KnitCrate that is going out. And I have a discount code for you. It is DUCK20, and if you use DUCK20, then you will get 20% off of your first subscription, the first month of subscription, and it's if you sign up for monthly. If you do the whole pay everything advance, they're already discounted. And I want to tell you, so I was looking at it. I've already opened it up because I'm having to do things in pieces because my setup's all messy. It's not particularly set up. So there are 2 skeins of yarn, and the retail value of each skein of yarn is $24. And then there's 2 patterns that the retail value is $10. So that's math, not my strong suit. 24 and 24 is 48, 58. It's like almost 60 bucks. And let me go and make sure I know the membership is $24.99. So you're getting beautiful stuff, and it's a really good value. Okay, I'm babbling on. It's been a while since I've talked to y'all, so I'm a little spazzy, and I feel weird because I'm in the wrong place. My mannequin is downstairs, so I don't have anything to set up. It's just, I'm really happy to see you guys. I mean, I want to make these videos and we're going to figure out how to make it work. So, but for today, I've got this unboxing for you, and make sure to watch until after I've opened it up and I will walk you through how to enter the giveaway. Here we go. I am super excited to be opening up this package. As always, you know, sketches and really in this chaos. Opening a package is what I got going on for me. Look, I got these grungy scissors because I don't know where my regular scissors are packed. So these are like, I could probably chew it open better. Oh, look, there's a pull tab. Let's see if it does. There's the pull tab. As usual, I fail at packaging. Let's see. Okay. Let's see here. Let's see what the theme is this month. It is sugar, na 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 na. Honey, honey. It's sugar, sugar. Woohoo! So this is the March one, sugar, sugar. Light like marzipan and fresh French macarons. Or macaroons? I don't know. I always get that one wrong. I think one of them's like the president of the country and one of them's like a cookie. I don't know. These fruity candy colored tones are just what we need coming out of cold weather and headed into spring. How exciting. We have obviously yarn. And it's fun because on the back here it says cool stuff and it tells us who the patterns are. Now it looks like in here is going to be one of 4 different colors. So you could get the color I'm opening up, or you could get a different color. So that is super cool. If you really want to know, I believe I have a link that I can send you. Well, not send you, but I'll put it in the description below, where if you want to be spoiled and see all of them, you can see it. And let's see, we have 2 patterns. One by Chelsea Burr-Compass, and that's the knit pattern, and one by Brenda Anderson, that's the crochet designer. And the way this works is that there's a link and then you can go download the digital pattern. So it's in here. So that's why I'm not showing you the back side. And also there is a bonus code here for 10% off of Chelsea Burr-Compass's designs, and buy one get one for Brenda Anderson. So that is super cool. And you guys are like, why aren't you showing me the yarn yet, Miss Woman Lady Person? So let's get it out. Is there anything else in here? Oh, there is, but I'll show you that in a second. Oh, it's got sparkles. Excellent. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this because, as I said, my lighting is horrible. There are sparkles. This is sparkle yarn. So there's sparkles and speckles. The yarn is Uru, or U-R-U yarn by KnitCrate. This is a nice yarn. And this colorway is, let me hold it up, blue, B-L-E-U, berry, B-A-R-R-Y. I think there's a pun there someplace. Sugared sock. 70% superwash merino, 20% nylon, and 10% stellina. That's the sparkle part. Fingering weight yarn, 399 yards to 100 grams. And this is all Euro yarn skeins are exclusively hand-dyed for KnitCrate. So the only way you can get this yarn is through KnitCrate. Ooh, it's nice and squishy. So look, you've got 2 skeins. Oh, there you can see the color. Hopefully it's coming through. It is this lovely blue color, almost aqua, but not as vibrant as aqua might imply. It's definitely in the sugar sweet. And then it's got all these speckles of like burgundy, like a purple. Yeah, purple. I don't know if you can see right there. There's a purple. Ooh, it's really nice. It's a nice squishy yarn. It's not sometimes sock yarns can be a little tight, which is great for socks. This one is not a super tight, but it does have a nice twist to it. This is absolutely lovely yarn. I like it. And one of you, oh, Oh, that's interesting. I was only seeing the purple, but look here, there's also some like blue speckles. Can you see it? So the different speckles are in different colors. It looks like we've got the kind of magenta burgundy and also blue mixed into this like pale color. It's really pretty. And you could easily go overboard with the sparkle and the speckle, but I think there's they were really subtle with the speckle, so it's just going to give enough texture to your yarn. It's going to be super pretty. Now let's see what the patterns are. So we've got a pattern for a, what is this? It looks like a shawl. Oh, isn't that cool? And then the crochet pattern, I never in a million years would I guessed. It's a pair of socks. So, and they're beautiful. Those are really nice. It doesn't even, well, I mean, I don't want to say it doesn't look like crochet because, I mean, crochet is awesome, but those are super pretty. I might even try, I would maybe even try to crochet it, but I'm not going to because this is going to go to a lucky winner. So, definitely. So this is only one of 4 colors, and obviously one of the other colors is a pink color. So if you want to be spoiled, go and look at the link below. And if you'd rather not, then you could get your own package and be surprised. Oh, so something fell out of my package that I didn't see, and I wanted to show this to you. So this is super cool. This is called Butterfly Boxes by KnitCrate. It says, share your talents with refugees arriving in the United States. Hats, scarves, washcloths, and toys all make a new house a home. KnitCrate gives, it is super cool. So you have a card. There we go. And you send this in to Butterfly Boxes, and it's a charity. So that is a really interesting option. Just thought I'd show it because it fell out of the package. I'm going to cut to a little walkthrough on how you can enter the Rafflecopter giveaway. I thought I'd do a live action version to show you how to do the Rafflecopter. This is what it'll look like, only it'll have a date up here telling you when it's going to be over. You can enter once if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have already subscribed to my YouTube channel, you can go ahead and click enter. Thank you for subscribing. Otherwise, you can go and subscribe. The next option, and again, you can do this once, is you click it down and you can subscribe to my newsletter by clicking this link, and it will take you to a MailChimp sign up. And you just, if you've already done it, just click enter, or when you do it, click enter and you're good to go. So those are 2 entries. And then the final one you can do once a day for the duration of the giveaway. So you click down here, and what you're going to do is go to my pattern page on Ravelry and pick a pattern you like and use the social media sharing button to share it to some social media that you have. And you can do this once a day so you can get multiple entries and have more chances to win. And again, you can click here when you have done it each day. Now, oh wait a minute, let's see what happens when I click on go to my pattern page on Ravelry. This is my pattern page. So on Ravelry, you'll see this, and then you can scroll down and see all of the different patterns that I have available. Let me tell you guys how excited I was when it actually went over to 2 pages. So make sure to look at both pages, and you can see all the different patterns that I have available. And let's go back. I'm trying to go slow because somebody said I made you seasick last time. Let's just go to my most recent one. This is Headless Roses. And what I meant by use the sharing button is over here, this one right here. See where it says share this? You can click on that and you can send a message to someone. You can share it on your Facebook, you can tweet it, or you can pin it to Pinterest. You can do any of those things if you like, or you can simply go up to the top here, and what you do is just select this, and I'm gonna right click and copy that, and you can paste that URL anywhere that you would like. I hope that all of that made sense. There will be a link in the description below to the Rafflecopter giveaway, and I will also pin it to the first comment just in case you're having any difficulty finding the description notes. And I hope that you guys enter early and enter often. I look forward to sending, you know, I love sending prizes to people. If you like this video, please give it the thumbs up. Click that like button, and if you would like to be notified whenever I upload a new video, please subscribe to my channel. That'll get you an entry, and select notifications. Thank you so much.